Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Back working on the 1941 Chevy pickup. The final phase for this project is reinstalling the front fenders and grille assembly. We had Andy from Marty & Sons come on over and help us reinstall that sheet metal. He was involved with removing it for us initially. So we called him up and had him swing by the shop just to help us make sure we got that stuff all put back the way it was when we brought the truck in. Once we got that all reinstalled with the radiator and everything, we were able to go ahead and put coolant in. We noticed once we started filling it with coolant that there was actually a coolant leak on the side of the motor. Upon further inspection, we noticed that the casting plugs, or what are sometimes referred to as freeze plugs, had rusted out over time. Being that the engine was over 60 years old, it's not uncommon to find some minor pieces that have rusted through. We advised the customer that we were going to need to repair those things so we could get the coolant in it and get it holding water correctly. Went ahead and got that done, filled it full of coolant. We were able to take the vehicle for a much longer test drive to ensure that all of the repairs that we had done, including the engine swap, the new independent front suspension, were all going to work perfectly. We were very happy to find that on our initial test drive, everything was working smoothly. The gauges were working correctly, temperature gauge was working correctly. All those things that we had done on this entire project were all working as they should. These projects do take a lot of time, and it's always nice to know that each piece of the project that we were involved with is working as it should based on the repairs that we were needing to do. Again, we really appreciate you following along on this project, and if you have a project like this you're working on and might need some help, or you're considering a project like this, you're not sure which way to turn, we always look forward to helping people out to achieve the goals that they look forward in their project. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop.